Okay, I'm Panchali Kaur. I am a theatre actor, dancer, writer. Apart from that, I am associated with certain social political activities which encompasses around women's rights, harassment, LGBT rights, education of underprivileged children, and so on. I am a performer. I am in theatre. I work in short films and stuff. So I see there is this particular obsession about complexion, which is weird because we belong to a country where most of the people, like maybe 70% are brown, and while casting a character who belong to that particular area, they have this obsession regarding a fair person. And recently I was attending this particular audition where I was supposed to be a character who's running away from a place where she's in distress and everything. And the main thing was, okay, you're fine, everything, but your complexion isn't what we thought it is. I was like, okay, even if I had that complexion, I'm running away, it is dark everywhere, I'm hiding, that is the character. How does this complexion matter? And it's a story, the story which was on which the particular project was based on was on a famous novel by an Indian about Indian people, and the crisis had got nothing to do with the particular complexion. Yes, a particular director may have requirement of a particular look, but in general you are not too suitable for a very urban character. Like, I am an urban person, I see urban person everywhere around me, and not all of them are white. We do not live in a country of white people. I started this project where I take photographs of mine from where I think I want to show myself, how I want to show myself, and surprisingly, these pictures also come out to be as aesthetic or gorgeous as the notion of the beautiful pictures, though I incorporate all the imperfections. So, our set idea of imperfection itself is imperfect. We have never exercised to see beyond what is being told. And certain industry that has got this particular politics, they revolve around this particular politics of making a woman look inferior to sell products. Okay, you do not have this particular skin tone, so you have to buy this particular product. You do not have this body, so you have to buy this particular product to look better, to look according to the standards, the normative of beautiful. So they have their agenda. However, we, the normal people, the common people who do not quote unquote belong to that industry or sell their products, why do we have to be there? Why do we have to set us for their standards? That's not required. We have to be ourselves, we have to tell our stories, we have to celebrate our body. That's important. And that is where not only industries, not only people from media, but also in general, a person, maybe a housewife, they also think that their daughter should not play more outside because she will develop a tan on her skin and she will not be eligible for marriage, or she will have a scratch mark, a cut mark on her leg, and that will make her less beautiful. So we want ourselves, our people, everybody, we want ourselves to be wax dolls, but we are not that. We are human beings, flesh and blood, and forgetting that is a problem. Forgetting that we are human beings is a problem, because then we are cutting out our stories. We are just becoming a showpiece, and that is not acceptable. So what I would like to say is, try. Every day, try a little bit to avoid all these things. Try a little bit to ignore what people say. It is not a one-day thing. I did not achieve it in one day. You are not going to achieve it in one day. So every day, try a little bit. Push a little bit towards positivity, because know that you do not owe a so-called perfect body to anybody. You do not owe that.